Okay, real quick, I'm going to demonstrate this new product that I'm selling. It's actually the anti-scale crystals in bulk. Now this may not look like a great bulk, but I'll show you how it is. This is a 1/4 cup, and it fills these little baskets. Now, the material that makes up these crystals comes from the milk thistle plant. It's very natural and also healthy. As a matter of fact, some people, and it's called xylifos, some people will literally buy supplements of this material. I mean, they're not going to eat the crystals, but it supposedly will help the liver. So anyway, the reason why I'm using that pliers and cutting the pieces is when it comes in crystals like this, you have to get them to fit. And I just wanted to make sure that that piece, I could see it wouldn't fit. And I was demonstrating how to get it to fit. Now just that piece will fit. There's another couple of little pieces here. If it gets too small where it looks like salt, just discard it. It wouldn't work in this system. So when you get this bag, you'll just remove the pieces that fit and stick them in there, and cut the pieces that don't fit the way I demonstrated. Now this will fill up the basket about 10 times. Right now the basket is half full, and I've hardly even dipped into the bag. So it's basically, when it gets to about 1/3 of an inch down from the top, that's good enough. Now I'm going to use this basket because I'm actually going to use this product. I love the idea that people consume the xylifos. They get it in supplements and they consume it in order to help their liver. And I'm sure I don't have any problem with my liver, but still in all, it's healthy, and I love the fact of that. So I'm just trying to get my mineral port out, which seems to be stubborn right now. Usually it just comes right out. Okay, so now actually your mineral port usually will have a basket in it. Now, if you don't have a mineral port, you can still get this anti-scale material. Just go to my filters and other products page, and you will see a device called the EOS device, and that is the same basic ingredient. And then it's really a tiny little filter, refillable filter that you can get that's full of the anti-scale material. Alright, so now all you have to do is just push it in, and then just, you know, insert it back into your filter port. Okay, so that's the xylifos, and look, it's, you know, gonna probably, with it, let's say each basket will last 6 months, something like that. 10 baskets, I'm going to say this little bag will probably last 5 years. So it's quite expensive material, crystals, but when you look at it for how long it will last, it's actually quite inexpensive. What it does is it will make the calcium that's dissolved in the water, as it passes through this little basket or filter, whichever device you use, it will change shape. Usually calcium's very like pointy ended, like if you ever saw snowflake crystals or something with little points on it. Normally calcium's like that. And so it just kind of takes the little pointy edges off, and that creates quite a difference in the fact that this isn't going to scale anything inside your water ionizer. Now, Lots of industries have used this application and found it to work quite well. So it's tried and true, very healthy, and I highly recommend it to keep your ionizer safe. Thank you.